Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to WorldTVOnDemand.com. Today, I'm going to see if this new 65-inch Samsung TV has any apps on it and see how to connect to the internet. So let's go to settings and let's see what our options are here. Smart features, startup. Let's go startup. Click on startup. It says welcome. All current channels and settings will be reset. Okay, let's see. Now we're going to do this part. CenturyLink is our internet provider. So this is the one thing I wanted to do, was hook to the internet, because this TV is not hooked to the internet. So this is my router right here, so we're going to connect to that. Now when you put in your password, you can go over there and check show password right there, and then it will show you your password so you can make sure you have it in properly. And then go down to where it says done and click the center button between your arrows there. And now let's try it again, see if it works. Alright, we connect. Success. Terms and conditions, downloading. This may take a while depending on your network speed. It's probably doing some updates to the TV and stuff because I have not had it connected to the internet. So we're just going to let it fly. Terms and conditions, there are some problems. Please contact. Okay, so we'll click next. I don't know what's going on with that. And then we have an antenna. We don't have a satellite box, so we're going to click on the OK button between the arrows, and then we're going to click. We're going to scan again. We're going to click scan because there's no. See how many channels we get this time. Okay, so we got 90 channels. You want to rescan your channels because every time I rescan, I get more channels. I don't know if there's anything I want to watch, but so click next. So we got all this done. Click next. So now I wanted to check and see if I've got any apps. Search apps. We're going to click on apps. Okay on that. You must agree to the terms. Okay. Okay. So now you got to go down here where it says terms and conditions. You got to put a check mark there. Then you got to go down and click OK. I'm not a member. Create an account. I don't want any of that. So we're going to skip all that for now. We don't want to. Okay, now it's showing the apps. Look at the apps. Now it's showing the apps. Click done. Whoops. No, we're going to go down here and click done. Click next. And now it's showing the apps. Now let me see. I have Prime, but does it have YouTube on here? I don't see YouTube. But anyway, that's how you connect it to the internet, and that's how you get your apps on your TV if it don't show any apps. And there it is. You can add more apps. And that's another video for another time. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day.